Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, we're up early because of this little girl and heading out to work out this morning because I have to come back and give Tyler schoolwork and get things done around this house. Wait, say good morning to the faves.
Good morning, Faves.
So we are up and getting things going around here. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying on, staying blessed, staying motivated. Babe, stop. Baby's still in bed, getting a little extra rest before he starts off to work. It's quarantine week 2 that we're in right now, and we're still locked in. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are staying safe and staying home. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and come with me to work out.
And if you have a school, you do school at home.
Exactly, that's what you're gonna do after you finish eating, right?
Yes, but Mama.
Yes. You guys, school is in session over here. We're writing the letter G today. Teacher sent us email this morning. So that's what we're doing for today, for right now. So Tyler is practicing writing the letter G. Very good, Tyler. Keep going, okay?
I'm looking at the line like that. I know where to put the G.
Go ahead. Continue. And little miss is right by brother's side, of course. You guys, I finished working out. Workout was bomb.
Mama,
Workout.
help me to work.
Tyler, workout was very good. Do your work. Pretend like mama is not here. You're in school. You guys, workout was so good this morning, and I'm here trying to get something to eat. Sarah have her 8-month doctor appointment today, and it's not cancelled. We just called the hospital and they said that it's still on. So what is gonna happen is that babe is gonna take her alone. I won't go until I want to go, and he's just gonna go just to get her to the appointment and back home. So yeah, that's what's up right now. So he's gonna have to print a permission, not print, write a permission paper in case police stop him to say that's where he's going, so he won't get a fine. So right now I'm gonna make some green juice, and I'm putting extra celery in my green juice today because my cucumber finished yesterday. So I don't have any cucumber, and I only have 2 apples remain, so I can't use any extra apples. So I start putting lemon in my green juice, and it tastes a world of difference. So I'm putting lemon, ginger, celery, and apple today. It changed the entire game. It tastes completely different. Sarah knows it's green juice time.
Excuse me, Mama. Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Stella.
Can I take the green juice?
You want some?
Yes.
Come. Alrighty, and leaving mama. You don't know that you're leaving me, right? You don't know that you're leaving me? We going to the doctor. Do, 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 do. It's chilly. It's chilly out today. It's chilly out today. And my baby girl is going to the doctor with Papa. It's chilly out today. Look at her face. She just wake up from her nap. Look at her. You're going to the doctor with Papa. You're going to be a good girl. Mama can't come with you. Brother can't come with you. Daddy duty? You're on daddy duty.
Driver duty.
It's chilly out today. No, you're on daddy duty. Oh, you're driver duty. Let's get locked in. I know you're a good girl, so you won't cry. You'll just miss Stella, right? And Mama. Come back. You want your ball? She wants her ball. Next hand. Wait. Do this. You're a big girl. You're a big girl. Voila, you're all locked. You're all locked in. Bye bye. Bye bye. Where's our pussy?
You're gonna assist me for the
Wait, you're not finished. Yeah, but you have. You just remember to take these on. Yeah, Mama. Yeah. Bye bye. See you soon. Alright, later. Be safe. It just hit me that Sarah is not here. I was about to say I'm going to check on her in her room. Oh my god. Well, she's with her dad. I don't want to call him to be like a helicopter mom and to be over him like it's not her parent. So I know she's okay. I know if she cries, he know what to do. But that mommy instinct, that mommy feeling is just there. I miss her so much already. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for them to be back. And they just gone 30 minutes. 30 minutes since they left home. And it feels weird without her in the house. Tyler is taking a nap right now. So I know baby's going to call me or send me a message whenever he settles and stuff. So anyway, you guys, it feels weird without her. Hello. Hello, pretty girl. Hi, pretty. Sarah is watching TV. Tyler is off from school and watching Blippi. And Babe is actually finished working and working out. So everybody minding their own business while I am in the kitchen. So Baby's working out. Let me show you guys Babe first. I don't think you guys see Babe from morning. Baby's working out. What are you looking at? So Baby's finished working and working out, and I'm in the kitchen while the kids watching electronics. Okay, first thing first, I am making food for Sarah. This is dinner for Sarah, and in here I have carrots, sweet potato, broccoli, and a little Irish potato. Just a few pieces that I didn't want to spoil, so I just utilized them. Alright, that is Sarah dinner cooking for a few days. And then I am preparing dinner for everybody. All that you see here is Sunday, Monday going on. So I'm just gonna mix and match and warm up some food for everybody else. Otherwise, from that's what's going on around here. Hopefully you guys are doing well. We have to make sure we use up every little food, not to make anything spoil. We don't have time for that right now. Yeah, but I've been just lounging around the house today. I didn't really do too much because I was a bit tired. I was a bit tired from working out this morning. So yeah, that's what's been going on right now. Reach for it. Come on, let's go. Foot up, straight. Straighter than that. Alright, let's go. Come on. That's it, baby. That's it. Come on, let's go. 10. That was 10. Sure? Or 9.5. Huh?
It was us before Sarah come. It was us before Sarah come.
Yeah, this was us before Sarah. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to give you guys a Jamaican expression because Tyler was heading to bed and he wanted to give the Jamaican expression. So we're gonna do that, send him off to bed, and then we're gonna come back to give you guys the corona update for today.
Look how happy he is.
Okay, Tyler, the Jamaican expression for today is...
Don't look, because now you can read.
Is Baba and Wave. Baba and Wave. What do you think Baba and Wave mean?
Baba and Wave.
I mean that means a big boy say hello or bye-bye to his friend. Just like
So what you doing that time?
just like the Baba of Kian.
Okay.
Okay, what do you think Baba and Wave mean?
Baba Wave. Somebody a gift.
Bob and Wave. Baba and Wave.
Oh, Baba Wave. I think somebody a gift traveler like stop to give me your Baba and Wave and go give it to somebody else. And go give somebody else your Baba and Wave.
Okay.
Who's close?
Baba and Wave mean to avoid someone. For example, if I owe you some money and every time I see you I try to hide from you, try to dodge you out.
Do it again.
Hide from you.
Yeah, this move.
Means to avoid someone. So no, none of you was close. But Baba Wave, Tyler alone kind of makes sense of it though. Waving, Tyler said to say hi to someone. So that was kind of would have make sense-ish, but in the right word. Tyler can.
And the French expression for today.
What is
The
the
French expression. What's the French expression for
The
today?
French expression is clack, click. Papa, what do you mean clack, click mean?
C'est quand papa il tape Tyler, ça fait clac clic sur la joie Tyler.
Mama, yeah, I think what that means.
Oh, you laugh.
Mama, I think that's what that means.
It means what Papa just said.
No, I already said no.
Why is your foot up here, so?
I didn't say, I say no.
Oh, it doesn't mean that?
Yes. So, Mama, think what that means.
That means to give Tyler a slap.
No, that means to espion someone.
To do what?
Espion.
Spy.
To spy on someone?
Yes. So we need to do that. Look at me. What that means? like me. I'm doing that. And now I want to see you. And I come into you. I do that.
Click, clack.
Okay.
And I go in there.
All right.
That's what that means.
We understand. We fully understand that. Thanks for the French expression for today.
You want another French expression?
Oh yes.
The French expression is ce sont les petites rivières qui font les grands fleuves.
Oh,
That means a river do a big vague that when you're close to the river go and splash on it.
Little things like, for example, when you say, okay, I want to get a car that costs a lot, and you're just starting by saving $5. They say that's a little river that makes big flag. It's just a little contribution, and all of the little contribution together, one might not mean a lot, but it's all of them together that makes the
I
big
get
thing.
it. I get it. All right, you guys. There you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Say night night.
Say your prayer.
What's up?
Broccoli. How are you?
No, fine.
You watching the news? So what you learn about the news?
Yo, I don't normally watch French news, but in a time like this, you watch every news. French news, Spanish news, every news. I've been watching CNN all day actually. We're still on lockdown. We're still staying inside. We haven't gone outside. I haven't gone outside in days.
But they say it's a partial, like half partial lockdown, like in every other country. It's not a
just the
complete.
supermarket and the
Right.
pharmacy.
In China,
open.
in Wuhan, they put a complete lockdown. They lock everything. They shut down every store, supermarket, and all of these things. And the person that person with a full body combination protection that deliver food for everybody.
Okay.
So nobody, you stay in your house, you don't move from your house. So
Okay.
we're not there. But because the virus is improving every day, yesterday the Prime Minister, in a speech, he said that the lockdown restriction getting a little bit more intense in terms, for example, in China we can move for any like health reason. Like for example, yesterday I went to the hospital for Sarah, but in the future all of this moving will be stopped if there is no like emergency or thing like this. So if you have to go, like if the baby is not feeling well, yes, you can go there. But if you just go for a checkup, it's not a reason. It's not a
valid reason
right.
to go.
They also stop until now you can go outside, do exercise and things like this, but now it's completely restricted. You need to be in your area 1 hour maximum per day. What has changed? The market. It used to be market outside. They stopped the market outside, indoor and outdoor. But the mayor have the right to open the market. Thinking about more like little city. Sometimes the market is the only place for little city where you can get the things. So yes, the mayor have the right to keep it open. But otherwise, for the big city like where we live, they're gonna close everything. So yes, that was the update. For the counting, if we talk about the counting, we have now more than 22,000 cases. As we know in France, they only test you when you
everywhere.
not good, so it's much more
And
in
over
reality.
over 200 died today.
Yeah, so it's a little bit more than 1,100 since the beginning. When I think about Italy, Italy is like 700 or 800
My heart hurt for
dead
Italy.
just for the last 24 hours. So yeah,
I
keep
hope
up.
you guys are still continuing to stay home if you don't have to go out.
Now I'll be scared to go out if I live there.
Stay home, y'all.
Stay home.
And to all of our healthcare workers, y'all continue to stay safe out there while you take care of everybody else.
Take care of yourself too.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.